Here you are, face to face in this trashy bar.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my Sunday reset routine vlog. I quite literally need to just get my life together after like decorating the room and like kind of preparing for Christmas to come and also a new year, and just kind of like organize my closet and just, like I said, have a reset day because it is Sunday and I haven't filmed one of these in so long. Actually, starting out the morning, it's literally raining and I didn't know it was supposed to rain today, so I'm kind of like literally bummer because I don't F with that. I don't want the rain to be here. It's a gloomy day, but it is what it is, and it's like really cold. I thought it was gonna snow today, but I guess it turned into rain because it hasn't been that cold. Right now I'm about to meet up with Amy, which you guys probably, I don't even know if you remember seeing her like in all my college vlogs. We graduated together and I haven't seen her since graduation. Sad, I know, but we're all busy out here and that's okay. So I'm about to meet up with her. We're gonna have a little coffee, Starbucks catch up, little morning coffee date, so I'm excited about that, and then we'll get started with like everything else I have to do today. So kind of fun to have like a little Sunday activity to do. We're gonna make the most out of this Sunday and I'm excited to get a little, I think I'm gonna get a chestnut praline. I might ask them to take out like one pump. Make sure you guys subscribe. Let's put their Christmas radio. Can I get a grande chestnut praline latte hot with oat milk? Can I just do like one less pump? She got a chai tea latte and she got a coffee cake, which I've never tried here, but I just got a banana nut. Okay guys, Starbucks run is over. Now I'm gonna go to the grocery store and pick up some stuff and figure out what I'm gonna have for lunch. Oh, I should get bananas. Just remembered. Okay, maybe I'll have like oatmeal or something, but it's so rainy. Grocery shopping in the rain is not a vibe. Grocery shopping is complete, and another thing, which this is the first day that I've ever done this actually, is not actually, maybe twice, but I did laundry yesterday, but we have to fold it today and we're gonna be reorganizing the rest of my closet. I don't know if you guys remember from another vlog, I did like half, so now it's time for the other half. And then my other closet with like all my shoes, I'm gonna be going in and like looking through what I can donate and just kind of like, this is like my mini reset, like I said, so that I can get rid of things I no longer use, wear, and then like same with like shoes or whatever's in that closet, just to like clear out the space for like new things coming, just like organization, like clean slate, I guess, like I said, and New Year's coming, so highly recommend cleaning out your space. The only bad thing is because I left them there, everything is gonna be so wrinkly, but I didn't have time yesterday. I'm about to go into the other closet and start there first before I go to like my clothes of what I'm going to refold, because I was just folding and it's not the vibes. I don't like folded clothes. So I have two bags. One is going to be for like shoes that I'm going to be like donating that are not like really messed up or anything, and then this one is going to be for all packages, anything in there that really is just like I'm getting rid of because it's like garbage. So let's go and get that done. Finally, it's been way overdue. So we have this shoe rack that has shoes, heels, things like that. So I'm gonna go in and organize these some more. Like I said, donate things that I know I'm not gonna wear and not just keep just for fun. And yeah, here is what's going on. Like this is so heavy, like the pole. Yeah, everything is a mess. Like this whole thing was not mine, as my sisters were getting rid of this because this has also been like my catch-all of like everything. So I need to go through that. I need to organize like all the jackets in here, and down here I have like stuff in there, and like down there that needs to be organized as well. I never film over here, but also we have football going on because it's football Sunday. But we're gonna start with this, and I just need to be realistic. Like it's fine because it feels good when like you're donating. These had their time, you know what I mean? So they're going in. Donations. I think this has to get like actually thrown out. And my method, because like obviously it's really tall, I'm gonna do summer like shoes or things on the bottom because like obviously I'm not gonna be reaching for those regularly. So we're starting with the getting rid of pile. I just thought it was such a good idea to bring like any packages or anything that I get and like do like a little mini gift basket for like my aunt, my cousins, and bring it to Christmas Eve, and if they want anything they pick. If not, you know, then it's fine, because I get like a lot of like extra like duplicates of like Dossier perfumes, which of course I love and I have so many, but if I get a duplicate that I know it smells good and like other people would obviously wear it, then of course I would share. Guys. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this TBT throwback. Quick interruption to thank Dossier for sponsoring today's vlog. I want to show you guys because I just got my scent for the month and I'm so excited to unbox it together. This is showing you the packaging. I actually think they changed the color of their box, but super cute. We love sustainable brand. Their packaging is recyclable. They're cruelty-free, vegan, all the best things. This scent that I got this month is called Floral Marshmallow, and this one is inspired by Killian Love Don't Be Shy. Comment down below if you've heard of that perfume before. Let's take it out of the packaging. Designer quality, no markups, and iconic scents is pretty much what Dossier does and what they stand by. They want to make fragrances like this affordable for everyone, so you need to get your hands on it because it's so affordable compared to like $100. Ain't nobody got time for that. It's the holidays, any last minute gifts to get before Christmas. Shop now, so it'll be linked down below as well as my code. Save you guys a little bit of extra money this holiday season. Wow, this smells so pretty. It has like some sweetness to it. Okay, because it has amber, vanilla, and musk as the base notes. So I love the card because it really tells you a little bit of everything about it, and I'm obsessed. Like I said, link down below. I can't wait to add that to my vanity because one of my other ones is about to be done. So love it. I cleared some slots in here. That's one update. And I know these are like falling apart. These are gonna go, but for now, like those stuff I'm bringing to like Christmas Eve. Some of the stuff is like my sister's. I'm gonna ask her like what she wants to keep and stuff before I just take it all down. And then up here, it's nothing like major. I have like some of my summer stuff, which that is not getting like sorted out through today, but this is obviously gonna just stay up here. This is all like clear space, so once I like, or my mom puts in some stuff in here, it can fit right there and I'll just move that. Right now I'm gonna work on going through some of my clothes that I have here thrown and like up here. Now look at how much better. And here's what we're working with. These are both gonna be garbage and these are both gonna be donation. Pulling out stuff, right? Tell me why I completely forgot I have this. Completely forgot I have this. That's the problem. That's why you need to clean them out so you can reappreciate them. It's about to be shower time because I'm tired. And honestly, I feel like I would be more tired because I slept late last night and woke up early this morning to like get some work done before I met up with Amy. But it's not terrible right now. I'm gonna make some tea, shower, and we're gonna have a good little self-care shower. Garbage, 2 garbage bags, and 2 donation bags that I just almost ripped one of them. These will be going tomorrow. Oh my god. Alright guys, so I'm about to exfoliate and dry brush my whole body, and I'm just like swapping out my razor. I need to get a new one. And honestly, like men's razors are just way better in general. I have to like shave my legs and stuff when I exfoliate them because they've been super dry. So this is a routine. I got my dry brush. This is from Amazon. I will link it below for you guys. Tell me why I'm just so cold. Like, why is it freezing? It was guys, I didn't capture it because it's so dark, but we had the first snowfall here today, and like it kind of got on the cars a little bit too, which is like, that's when you know it's actually like sticking a little bit, but it's freezing. The weather is actually starting to drop now and I'm cold. I have the Christmas lights on, vibing out. I just had a nice shower contour and moisturize my body because it's been dry everywhere. Just so freaking dry. I need to put chapstick on, but I'm gonna finish up my lovely green tea. I brought my iPad over to my bed and put on Christmas red cozy PJs. It's nothing like a fresh set of PJs when you like washed your clothes. Everything's all good. I washed my pillowcases yesterday as well, so they're nice and fresh. But I want to do some planning. This is how I reset myself and like mentally too. Like when I was talking to Amy and stuff, I always try to tell her too. I always plan out for the week so I know like what's upcoming, so that like in my mind I'm not just like frazzled, or else I won't sleep tonight either, you know? I feel like every like Monday to start the week too, like you want to like start it off on a good note and not have to like do everything tomorrow. Like, okay, what am I gonna do today? Like you'll wake up and you know what you have to do already. I feel like this is the perfect page right now to do for this reset. This is honestly everything I needed to see. Got my alarms on and ready to go for tomorrow. And I feel like I had such a good productive day, like resetting. Like I feel so good to like clean out a bunch of stuff and like kind of do things that I've been wanting to do but just kind of been putting it off. And I feel like this is just the perfect way to like get me to do it, honestly. And because also I was not on my computer at all today because I honestly didn't have Wi-Fi after I left this morning because they were redoing and like moving things around in the living room, as you guys saw. So I had no Wi-Fi on my computer, and so it was nice to just kind of like zone in and get a lot of things done. And I'm really happy that I did that. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. We are on our way to 10K, as you guys know, and I'm super close, literally halfway there. So let's get there soon, and I'll see you all in my next video.